Dashing Thunder G. So today we have someone special. So I'm gonna introduce my yes, he's my brother. So let's introduce him a little bit. So what's your name?
My name is Kreshanth.
And which grade are you?
My grade is UKG.
And what are you gonna do today in the video?
Today we are going to do some unboxing.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber is Jelly.
Your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
And what do you like to play with?
I like to play with Beyblades.
What are your favorite games?
My favorite game is Minecraft and Block My World and Roblox.
So let's start with the unboxing of the books.
Books. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, this is my Tinker books and I'm going to study this in UKG. My brother will help me unboxing it.
Yeah, let's unbox this. Hey, did you notice it has some good packaging? This is kind of tough, by the way. So we'll open from here, here, and here. So let's unbox this. What do we got? Oh, let's just do it like that. And what shall we do with this? Get out of here. So introduce this, man.
Okay, we have a lot of books.
So let's just put them apart. So let's just get the scissors and cut them open. So guys, we opened them all up and they're scattered around. So let's see what kind of books he got. So let's start with this. This is his second term book. All of these are all the second term book things. I don't know what they didn't give the name actually. So the other books which he knows, he'll say them, okay? What is this? Say it nice, man. Okay, this is AR course books.
English books.
This is?
English books.
And this is
Numbers books.
maths. And this is your?
Art and craft.
Okay, this is his art. And this is?
Gender awareness.
Okay, so by the way, these new books smell good. I just want to smell them already. So, general awareness, he got these stuff. Let's just open them and scatter them around again. So we'll get a quick shot how they look. Make sure to subscribe and like. So, catch you guys in the next video.